Winter is coming, and with it, a stark reality for drivers. The potential for treacherous road conditions. The Ontario Provincial Police, OPP, is urging everyone to gear up now, before the snow and ice make their grand entrance. Taking a few simple steps can make a world of difference in keeping you safe on the road. So what should you do? The OPP suggests a proactive approach to winter driving, focusing on preparation and awareness. Here's a breakdown to help you navigate the season safely. Tires. First things first, consider installing winter tires. They provide superior grip and control in snowy and icy conditions. This is a game changer. Maintenance. Make sure your vehicle is in tip-top shape. Schedule a checkup to ensure your brakes, battery, fluids, and heating systems are ready for the cold. Visibility. Ensure your windshield wipers and defrosters are working perfectly. Clear visibility is crucial. Emergency kit. Pack an emergency kit in your vehicle. Include essentials like blankets, a flashlight, and non-perishable snacks. You never know when you might need them. But here's where it gets controversial. Do you really need winter tires? Or can you get by with all-season tires? It's a debate that rages every year, but the OPP's stance is clear. Winter tires offer a significant safety advantage. Beyond preparing your vehicle, the OPP emphasizes the importance of adjusting your driving behavior. Always stay alert. Slow down and increase your following distance, especially in snowy or icy conditions. Avoid sudden braking. Use your headlights in low visibility and clear all snow from your vehicle before driving. This is often overlooked, but it's crucial for the safety of yourself and others. Plan ahead. Give yourself extra time to reach your destination, and be respectful of other road users. And this is the part most people miss. Before you even start your engine, check the MTO's Ontario 511, 511 on.ca, and Traveller Information Service for up-to-date road information on provincially maintained highways. Monitor local radio for updates too. This is your secret weapon for avoiding dangerous conditions. In case of an emergency, remember to call 911. For non-emergency police matters, contact the OPP at 1-888-310-1122. What do you think? Are you ready for winter driving? Share your tips and experiences in the comments below. Do you agree with the OPP's recommendations, or do you have a different approach? Let's discuss.